power tools on the floor again?
Yeah.
We need a workbench, don't we?
Yeah. Hi there, we're Kim and Dan. Sorry for that intro. We both suck at acting.
But this is a real problem. I see Dan working with his power tools on the ground all the time, which is so dangerous. Now that we've moved into our own house, we have space to make our own workbench.
The plan for today is to make something simple and easy. We just need a temporary workbench to work on some projects until we get our garage workshop set up.
Let's get started.
For materials, we will need a sheet of plywood, 4 8-foot 2x4s, a saw,
We used a miter saw, but a hand saw will do.
a drill, a square,
It's really a triangle.
a right angle clamp,
It'll make things easier.
2.5-inch screws, and a tape measure. First, we're gonna determine the height of the workbench. We have to keep Kim and my height in mind. Find a comfortable height to work at. This should be around waist high. We chose around 35 inches, but we're short, so yours might be taller.
Next, you'll want to choose the size of your workbench. We're really lazy, so we chose a pre-cut sheet of plywood. It will hold everything we want and fit in the corner of our garage.
Now it's time to chop your legs off. You're gonna cut your 2x4s into 4 equal lengths on the height you guys decided earlier.
Okay, that we can do.
Yeah. So this is the first leg that we cut, and we're gonna use this as a guide for each of our other legs to make sure we stay consistent. We've got our legs.
Now we have to make our frame by cutting the remaining wood to match the width and length of the plywood tabletop. Don't forget to subtract the width of your wood pieces where they meet at the corners.
So our short pieces will be 24 inches minus 3 inches, so 21 inches.
Can you do the math?
I can't do the math, just barely. That's 48 inches.
It's upside down.
It is upside down. I'm dyslexic. What do you expect from me? These are our short boys.
Only one is moving right now?
Yes. This is my art. Next, you'll screw the base of the frame together. We're using a right angle clamp to make things easier. We decided to pre-drill our holes to prevent the screws from splitting the wood, although that's optional. Then we drove in all the screws for each corner, using 2 screws per corner.
Okay, does that look good? That looks right to me.
Yep, that looks good to me.
That looks right. To me!
It does look right. Like that.
Now it's time to attach the legs. You want to position each leg in the inner corners of the frame and clamp them in place. Make sure the legs are square and level. Then you know the drill. Haha, get it? Pre-drill your holes, then drill in your screws. You'll do this for all 4 legs.
So I forgot to add one piece. There should be a middle short piece to brace the tabletop to make it just a little bit more secure. So that brace is just gonna go right in the middle and make everything a little bit stronger. So now we've got the tabletop on, and we're gonna clamp the tabletop in place, and we're gonna put screws all along the edges to keep it all nice and secure. Good job. That's it. Is something wrong?
No, it looks good to me.
Good to you.
Oh, it's already recording. All right, bring in the workbench. Weep, 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 weep.
So this is it. This is our finished workbench. It's pretty nice. So using this is going to be way better than working on the floor. I'm really happy that we just have a little space to work at, and so we have a lot of projects planned for the future.
Like I want to make a coffee table. We want to make end tables, matching nightstands.
And this workbench will help a lot with that, and I won't have to work on the ground, and it will save my back some trouble.
This workbench was really cheap. It only cost us less than $50 to make. Let us know what you'd like to see us make with this workbench in the comments below.
Okay, bye.
Bye now. Okay, bye. Are you? What's my line? And then a face. Don't move your eyes. Just do it. Do your face. Come
I don't have an old face.
What is it?
Are you using power tools on the ground?